history class felt more like a science adventure. We were going to learn about dinosaurs again, but this time through DNA and evolution. No roars, no stomping feet, just science and a lot of holograms. Our robot teacher started by projecting a massive double helix in the middle of the room. Today, it said, you will explore the building blocks of life. Welcome to the Dinosaur DNA Lab. Each of us got a personal holographic workstation. I tapped the screen and instantly I was holding a glowing strand of dinosaur DNA in my hand. It twisted and shimmered, almost alive. I could zoom in to see the exact sequences that made T-Rex claws sharp or Triceratops horns strong. The coolest part, we could reconstruct extinct species in real time. I tried mixing traits, tiny arms from one dino, a massive tail from another. The hologram morphed instantly into a weird wobbly creature. Everyone in the class burst out laughing. I think it is laughing at us. Someone joked as our mutant dino danced awkwardly. Then the teacher challenged us. Create a dinosaur adapted to survive an asteroid impact. I focused. I gave it armored skin, wings for gliding, and a tail to balance. The simulation ran, and my dino dodged meteors with perfect flips. Other students made crazy creatures. Some had laser-like teeth. Others could burrow underground. It was chaotic, hilarious, and educational. The robot teacher floated above the lab and concluded, dinosaurs weren't just monsters, they were evolution in action. Understanding DNA shows us why they thrived for millions of years. By the end of the class, I realized something amazing. We weren't just memorizing names or errors. We were learning to experiment with history, to see cause and effect in real time. And somehow, dodging DNA strands holographically felt more alive than the biggest T-Rex in episode 1. Science made history feel like magic. And in 2099, learning about dinosaurs wasn't about looking back. It was about creating, imagining, and understanding life itself. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below and share with your friends. See you in the next video straight from 2099. With love, Daria, Future Kid.